Get fit in 30 minutes with yoga for balance, strength, and flexibility. Feeling like you're constantly short on time but still crave a workout that delivers results? Yoga might be the perfect solution. This ancient practice offers a holistic approach to fitness, incorporating elements of strength training, cardio, and mindfulness all in one session. And the best part? You can achieve a fantastic workout in just 30 minutes. Harnessing the power of yoga for total body fitness, yoga's versatility shines through its ability to improve balance, strength, and flexibility simultaneously. By engaging your core and utilizing body weight resistance, you can build lean muscle and increase your overall strength. Poses like Warrior II and Plank challenge your muscles, enhancing both upper and lower body strength. Maintaining balance is crucial for everyday life, and yoga provides a fantastic platform for honing this skill. Standing poses like Tree Pose and Half Moon Pose require concentration and core engagement, improving your stability and reducing your risk of falls. Flexibility is another key benefit of yoga. Stretching your muscles through poses like Downward Facing Dog and Cobra Pose increases your range of motion, improving posture, reducing muscle stiffness, and minimizing the risk of injury. A 30-minute yoga routine for beginners, ready to experience the benefits of yoga? Here's a simple 30-minute routine to get you started. Warm up, 5 minutes. 1. Sun salutations, 3 rounds. This flowing sequence warms up your muscles and increases blood flow. 2. Cat-cow pose, 5 repetitions, gently stretches your spine and improves flexibility. Workout, 20 minutes. 1. Warrior II, 30 seconds each side, strengthens legs and improves balance. 2. Plank, 30 seconds, builds core strength and engages multiple muscle groups. 3. Tree Pose, 30 seconds each side, improves balance and stability. 4. Downward Facing Dog, 1 minute, stretches hamstrings, calves, and spine. 5. Cobra Pose, 30 seconds, strengthens back muscles and improves posture. 6. Triangle Pose, 30 seconds each side, stretches legs, hips, and spine. Cool down, 5 minutes. 1. Child's Pose, 2 minutes, calms the body and stretches the spine. 2. Shavasana, 3 minutes, relax and allow your body to integrate the benefits of the workout. Tips for getting the most out of your yoga practice. 1. Listen to your body, don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're starting out. 1. Modify poses as needed. 2. Breathe deeply, focus on your breath throughout the practice. 3. Find a comfortable space, ensure you have enough room to move freely. 4. Be patient and consistent, yoga is a journey, not a destination. 4. Stick with it, and you'll see results over time. 5. Consider taking a class, a qualified instructor can guide you through the poses and ensure you're practicing correctly. Conclusion: fitting yoga into your busy schedule is easier than you think. With just 30 minutes a day, you can experience the transformative benefits of this practice. Whether you're aiming to improve your strength, balance, or flexibility, yoga offers a holistic approach to fitness that will leave you feeling energized, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle your day. So, roll out your mat and get ready to experience the magic of yoga.